really well organised. We have had loads of visitors to our stand.
It's exciting. People are coming here with specific problems that they're trying to solve. Well, I think the actual format of the show is very interesting. The short period of time that you have to come and visit. I think the free bacon roll and a cup of tea certainly help.
Yeah, it's really good. Really busy. Lots of people, lots of inquiries.
It's a fantastic event, very packed, lots of vendors here.
All under one roof, in one morning, nicely condensed, fantastic, great opportunity.
It's been a really good vibe, really good show so far. Started off and kicked off quite early with some really good positive results.
It's a great show, directly focused on our target market and superbly well organised.
It's a great show, so many great companies, and we'll definitely be back next year.